Today we talk about how can you add your personal information on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here. You click here on account down here. So when you just click here on account, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just come here to personal information, just click on it. So then here can you add your street address in there, your city, then here your state and your country, then your zip code here, and your email, so your phone number, and here can you add your birthday, then within anniversary here, or here can you select your gender. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for, so when you don't click here on save. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.